At least 4 million people in southern Japan have been ordered to evacuate as a powerful typhoon bears down on the region, bringing strong winds and heavy rain that caused electricity blackouts and paralyzed ground and air transportation. The super typhoon was near the southern island of Yakushima, packing maximum surface winds of 162 km per hour, as it slowly headed north, the country's third largest and southernmost island, where it could make landfall later in the day, the Japan Meteorological Agency said on Sunday. Nanmadol is forecast to turn east and reach Tokyo on Tuesday. The agency warned residents in the affected area of flooding, landslides, as well as unprecedented levels of powerful winds and waves, and urged them to evacuate early. Electric Power said more than 93,000 homes across the island are without electricity on Sunday because of damage to power lines and facilities. Local authorities have reported no major damage or injuries so far.